One of China's biggest property developers, Country Garden, may default on its payment if it's not made by September 2nd. A Chinese trust company has also begun to have problems, missing 4 payments to other companies. Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be discussing if you should be worried about China's economy. First off, let's talk about China's historical background. Currently, China is the #1 producer of goods in the world. They produce 28.7% of the goods in the entire world. So in the past, when production would slow down in China, it was a direct result of decreasing demand from other countries. Currently, this is not the case because the United States has stated that it does not want to hold back China's economy. By the way, if we haven't met yet, I'm Adam. I'm an investment advisor representative. I'm with Vernon Management Group. We're a family-owned investment advisor firm. All right, so this begs the question, if demand hasn't decreased, then what's causing China's problems and why can't they solve their problems easily? Well, during the financial crisis, China saw a major decline in its economy, seeing exports drop by almost 17%. To combat this, China poured money into its economy in the form of a stimulus package. This worked extremely well and helped to jumpstart its economy. Okay, China was able to implement this strong stimulus package because it had a really strong financial position in the world. Other Asian countries who were struggling like China weren't able to produce the same stimulus packages because they had weak positions in the financial world. Alright, now you might be asking yourself, well, if China boosted their economy in 2008, why can't they boost it again and give out another stimulus package? Well, the main problem with China producing another stimulus package is that they have a lot more debt now than they did in 2008. And the debt is mainly been caused by that stimulus package they gave out in 2008. Now let's talk about what is causing China's problems. There's 3 factors here. First one we're going to start with is property. One of China's biggest property developers, Country Garden, may default on its payment if it's not made by September 2nd. A Chinese trust company has also begun to have problems, missing 4 payments to other companies. Suppliers are waiting on at least $390 billion in payments. As a result, lawsuits are being filed and protest banners are being hung at now empty construction sites. Now we're going to talk about the local government debt in China. Local government debt has been piling up mainly due to the property crisis going on in China. This is really important because it limits the local government's power to expand growth and help with public services. Alright, so what's currently happening in China? First off, the Chinese yuan hit its lowest point in 16 years. After China decided to lift its COVID lockdown, the economy did well briefly, but it's been struggling for the last couple months. The property sector has boosted China's economy for decades now. But the worry is that the struggling property sector and the local government debt could snowball into bigger problems for China's economy. Now let's talk about what to expect going forward. It's hard to say exactly what's going to happen with China's economy in the future. It's at a crossroads right now. The decisions the government makes going forward are going to determine what happens with its economy. If China is able to get their property crisis under control, then that would be a major win for the economy. Though stalling population growth and local government debt piling up could be challenging to handle. Okay, so should you be worried? Well, the short answer is not at the moment. Nothing substantial enough has happened to cause real concern. But China's economy is at a crossroads, like I said, and this is something we're going to monitor going forward. That's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any comments, comment below, or if you want any other information, visit our website, vernonmanagementgroup.com, and we'd be happy to talk to you. Have a great day.